Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a fast tilapia fish soup. It is simple and delicious. For the ingredients, I have 700 grams of frozen tilapia fish fillet. I have taken it out from the freezer about an hour before cooking. 3 pieces of shiitake mushroom, soaked and sliced. 2 cups of Chinese cabbage, stem and leaves separated and cut. 1 tomato cut to 6 to 8 pieces. 1 stalk of spring onion for garnishing. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. 5 palm-sized pieces of fuchok or crispy bean curd sheets. And 600 ml of water. All the ingredients are ready. I'm going to start with boiling the soup. Let's get started. Heat the pan to high heat. Pour in all of the water. Add in the pepper. A few drops of sesame oil. All of the oyster sauce. Shiitake mushroom. And the stem of the Chinese cabbage. Give it a stir until the seasonings have dissolved in the water. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. It will take around 2 minutes for the soup to reach to a rolling boil. While soup is cooking, we can cut and marinate the fish. Cut the fish fillet into smaller pieces about 2 inches in length, like this. Add in all of the salt and marinate it. Put it aside. After 2 minutes, the soup has come to a rolling boil and give it a stir to ensure ingredients are cooked evenly. Cover the lid again and continue to cook for 2 more minutes. This is to ensure shiitake mushrooms are well cooked. After 2 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Open the lid, add in fish fillets. Try to put the fish in the center of the pan as this is the hottest area of the soup. Once the fish have been added, do not stir until the fish is completely cooked. Add in tomato. Just place it on around the pan. I'm just pushing these 2 pieces down to submerge them in the soup. Stirring the fish while raw and partially cooked release a fishy smell in the soup. Cover the lid. Raise the temperature to high heat and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Open the lid. The fish should be cooked by now. Now we can give it a taste. Delicious. If you need to add more seasoning, you can do so now. For me, this soup is already perfect. I'm going to add in the Chinese cabbage leaves. Give it a stir. And switch off the heat. Put in half of the spring onions and keep the other half for garnishing later. Gently break 2 pieces of crispy bean curd sheets with your hand and put it in the soup. For the rest, we will serve with the fish soup later on. Put the bean curd sheet to submerge in the hot soup. It will become soft by the time we serve the soup. This fish soup should be served hot as it is more delicious when it's hot than cold. We will serve it with the crispy bean curd sheet here and sprinkle some spring onions. Now the delicious fish soup is ready to serve. Let's eat! Very delicious. The soup is really tasty and sweet. The fish is delicious and cooked perfectly. It's firm and holds the shape well. Chinese cabbage leaves still crunchy. Shiitake mushrooms are so fragrant. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this fast, simple tilapia fish soup recipe, please like it and subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye-bye.